I am so lucky. Okay, these lights are off now. This one's off. I went ahead and did exactly what I told you to do. I went out to the electrical panel. I had 8 different ones to check. Can you believe it was 1 in 8 chance of getting it the first time? Well, I got it on the last time. 8 times back and forth through the garage, outside, over to the side of the house, flipping each breaker. Okay, each one of these is off now. It happened to be underneath a bedroom circuit, 15 amp bedroom circuit. Okay, so sometimes you might get lucky and find in your electrical panel that there's a dedicated circuit for your smoke alarms, but not here. Okay, so I checked all that, so now I know the power is off to all of them. And I can get up there with no problem, not having to worry about anything, okay? That's how you should do it. It's a good thing I'm not going to show you every single little song and dance on these because I only have 2 minutes left on my SIM card. Can you believe that? The only tool I think I'm going to need out of my tool bag is this. Kaboom, my Phillips screwdriver. That's pretty much it.